Hey, welcome back. So, you may be asking, what am I doing with my PlayStation unplugged and everything? Well, what I'm doing is I'm cleaning it. So, what you gotta do to clean a PlayStation is, oh crap. Well, don't do that. There we go. You need a star bit. And like a small one. And because there's two screws back here, which you can like unscrew, which I already did, but then when you do that, you kind of need to like do that, like push this back, and then this part should come off, which you can clean. And then, see if we can. You don't want to break any of these pieces. You have to pop up the top on, like, because there's like a little latch here, and you can pull it up, and then pull this apart. And then when you get one side done, the other side, you need to get your flathead piece and just like kind of get in there. And there's like a little groove in the PlayStation here. Oh crap, it's sliding. Oh no. And there we go. Just pull this up. Because when your PlayStation is filled up with dust, it gets hot and overheats and is not as fast. When you're done with that, look. Well, I already cleaned it, but I didn't do a good job. I didn't like really do anything. You don't really want to take any of this off. That's fine the way it is. And then, oh crap, you get anything that can blow air, like an air compressor, or like a vacuum like mine. It can blow air, like a lot of air. And when you've done that, like a whole bunch of dust just shot out the back where the fan would go. And that's not like, this is just the right, what in the world? Okay, well, that's just the part where, holy crap, there's dust all over. Like, so the fan goes in here, and then it shoots out the back here. And there's like a little, thing that goes through there. And there's like a channel that gets filled up with dust easy, which it's like a little piece of metal with like bars in it. I'll show you. Well, I'm gonna put this part back, clean that. You need to match up the places where you got them from, because if you don't, you'll mess it up. Is that right? Why is it not? It should just pop back on. Well, anyways, this is, oh, I know why. Or, no, this needs to go on first. Well, you need to make sure this part goes on first, or you won't be able to put this part back on. And it basically just goes back on like that. And you don't want to blow and like in the fan, or you'll like burn out the bearings. Don't want to do that. Go to the back side. This one should be more easy, I guess. Oh no, it's the whole part. Well, you need your flathead again. Just to pop these little things out. They're like little plastic tabs, and they're what hold it on. And this is like the hardest part also. Oh, well, we got it. It may take a minute or so also. Holy crap. And there we go. So we got to the fan. This is where all the dust is going to come out. Also, you probably want to... Dust just flew off that. You probably want to, like, you know, use your vacuum and suck some of the dust out. Because when you shoot it, or not shoot it, you don't shoot your PlayStation. But, when you shoot the air through here, it may get stuck somewhere. So you probably wouldn't want to suck the air out also, or the dust out also. Which, I'm about to go ahead and do. That was loud and very dusty, if that makes sense. Well, I think my PlayStation is clean now. No doubt about it. Oh yeah, there's a fan right there. You want to hold it and then blow on it. Salt Rider, what you want?
Are you done?
No. Okay.
You need help? I can
No.
help you.
Well, also there's a laser in here, which is really cool.
There's a laser in your PS4?
Well, there's a power supply right here, and you want to take that out, but, you know, I already done that. Already cleaned that when I did that. We'll move right. Can you hand me the thing? You can change it out. But I gotta pause this real quick. Alright, so, Ryder helped me get this on there. I got this so it won't hurt any of the circuits. You know, it's just soft and fluffy. And it, you know, sucks air. Just go ahead and do that. And when you're done, you know, vacuuming off, you can just put your PlayStation thing back. And it shouldn't be very loud or anything like that. It should be quiet. No. It shouldn't sound like a jet engine. And there you go. Clean PlayStation. Oh wait, look at this. I don't think you can see this, but look. all the dust got out, and it just left a perfect like rectangle. Can you see that? The lines? Yeah. Turn off the lights, maybe? Well, that won't work. Well, that'll be the end of it. Video, got. Can't even talk. Bye-bye.